how to view your visitors on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your visitors on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines in the top, and here you will find your profile. Click on it and click on your profile here, and as you see here you will find this one. You will find visitors here. Just click on it, and after you click on it you can see your visitors, and that's it. That's how to view your visitors on Likee app just by clicking this one. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.